So you know some of the accidents in some other places taken place and how much they have given, or there are three verticals. One is death, the other one is serious injury, persons who are not eligible, who are not capable to do further anything. Third one is limited injuries. These three categories are there. You have to decide how much you are going to pay. Any insurance is there? So this is the time to act with humanity. So this is not, you cannot see as an accident. No, company has to think in a way. So more than 24 hours over, no, where is your management, MD, who is the right person? He has to come, no, the major accident taking place in your premises, he has to come, he has to see, he has to visit deceased persons or who is alive. So he cannot avoid the situation, no, he has to come. Ask him to come and meet our district minister and labor and employment minister.